What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about MetriCool and Loomly. MetriCool and Loomly are both popular social media management platforms. While MetriCool offers more affordable pricing and robust analytics, Loomly excels in advanced content planning and team collaboration features. Now, let's take a look at their overview. MetriCool is an all-in-one social media management tool that helps professionals, agencies, and brands increase their digital visibility and connect with their audience in a simple and efficient way. With MetriCool, users can schedule content, measure results, analyze competitors, and create visual reports in just a few clicks. Loomly, on the other hand, is an all-in-one social media management platform that simplifies the process of creating, scheduling, and analyzing content across multiple channels. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Loomly empowers marketers to effectively manage their social media presence and drive engagement with their audience. Now, let's talk about some of their key features. Let's start with MetriCool. Social Media Analytics. MetriCool's centralized analytics provide a comprehensive view of your social media performance across all your profiles and websites. Instead of jumping between different platforms to gather data, MetriCool brings everything together in one convenient location. With this feature, you can quickly understand which of your content is resonating most with your audience, allowing you to replicate successful strategies and optimize your social media approach for maximum impact. Influencer Analysis. MetriCool's competitor and influencer analysis tools enable you to spy on the social media performance of brands and individuals in your industry. By monitoring their real-time activity, you can gain valuable insights into winning strategies that you can adapt for your own brand. This feature provides a strategic advantage by helping you identify top-performing content, popular hashtags, and effective influencer partnerships that you can leverage to stay ahead of the competition. Social Media Reporting. Creating comprehensive social media reports can be a time-consuming task, but MetriCool's automated reporting feature streamlines the process. With just a few clicks, you can generate custom reports in PDF or PPT format, saving countless hours of manual data collection and report creation. MetriCool also allows you to automate the delivery of these reports to your clients on a monthly basis, ensuring consistent and professional communication. Hashtag Performance Tracking. Selecting the right hashtags is crucial for increasing your social media reach and engagement, but it can be challenging to determine which ones are most effective. MetriCool's hashtag tracker solves this problem by providing data-driven insights into the performance of the hashtags you use in your posts. By identifying which hashtags drive the most impressions and engagement, you can optimize your hashtag strategy and make informed decisions about which tags to include in your future content. Streamlined Content Planning. MetriCool's Content Planner allows you to schedule a month's worth of social media content in advance, saving you valuable time and effort. With this feature, you can plan out your content calendar ahead of time, selecting the best posting times and hashtags to maximize your reach and engagement. By streamlining your content creation process, MetriCool enables you to focus on creating high-quality, engaging posts that aligns with your brand's messaging and voice. AI-powered post generation. Crafting engaging social media posts can be a challenge, especially when faced with writer's block. MetriCool's AI-powered post generation feature helps overcome this obstacle by automatically generating post ideas and copy that align with your brand's voice and messaging. This feature provides a starting point for your content creation process, saving you time and effort while ensuring that your posts are engaging and on brand. Centralized social media inbox. Effectively managing your social media community can be a time-consuming task, especially when you have to check multiple platforms for messages and comments. MetriCool's centralized social media inbox solves this problem by bringing all your messages and comments together in one convenient location. With this feature, you can efficiently respond to and engage with your audience across multiple platforms, saving you time and improving your overall community management strategy. Now, let's talk about Loomly's features. Post planning and scheduling. Loomly's post planning and scheduling feature allows you to visually plan and schedule content in one location. You can drag and drop posts to another day in the calendar view, create dedicated calendars for each brand and client, and get daily post ideas for content inspiration. Loomly automatically generates post previews and grid previews, ensuring content quality before publishing. With auto-publishing to all connected social media channels, audience targeting, post sponsoring, and post optimization tips, you can save time and drive better performance. The feature also allows you to customize posts per channel with alt text, tagging, and cover images, ensuring that your content is tailored for each platform's requirements. Collaboration and approvals. Loomly's collaboration and approvals features enables seamless teamwork and client involvement. You can create dedicated calendars for each brand or project, invite clients and collaborators with role-based permissions, and send review notifications for individual posts or full calendars. The feature keeps comments private to your team, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure. Loomly also allows you to customize your branded dashboard with a subdomain, logo, and favicon, building trust with clients through a professional and personalized platform. Content calendar and library. Loomly's content calendar and library feature centralizes all your visual assets in one place. You can bring in assets from Canva, Google Drive, and Unsplash and create engaging slideshows and visuals using Loomly Studio. The feature allows you to preview posts before publishing to ensure content quality, provide real-time feedback with comments, and track changes with version logs for transparency. With the ability to filter visuals by date, usage, and more, you can easily find the assets you need for your content creation process. Campaign management. Loomly's campaign management feature helps you organize and streamline your social media campaigns. You can add labels to assets and pair them with campaigns, toggle between calendar and list view based on your preference, and filter visuals by date, usage, and more. The feature also allows you to create post templates and notes to speed up the content creation process, saving you valuable time and effort. Analytics and reports. Loomly's analytics and reports features provide detailed insights into your social media performance. You can track post performance, audience demographics, and engagement metrics, and gain a deeper understanding of your audience to optimize your content strategy. The feature automatically schedules reports to be delivered to your inbox, ensuring that you stay informed about your social media success. You can export specific data ranges to PDF format and customize the exported analytics data to suit your specific needs, making it easy to share insights with stakeholders and make data-driven decisions. Community management. Loomly's community management feature enables you to efficiently manage conversations across multiple social media channels. You can respond to comments and messages from one central inbox, assign them to team members for timely responses, and set up automated replies for common inquiries. The feature also allows you to monitor brand mentions and hashtags, ensuring that you stay on top of relevant discussions and engage with your audience. By collaborating with team members on responses, you can provide high-quality customer service and build stronger relationship with your community. Now, let's talk about pricing. MetriCool offers a range of pricing plans to suit different budgets and needs, including a free plan that allows users to manage one brand associated with one profile for each social platform, a starter plan starting at $18 a month with annual payment, or $22 per month with monthly payment for managing up to 5 brands, an advanced plan starting at $45 a month with annual payment, or $54 per month with monthly payment for managing up to 50 brands and offering additional features like team and client access, role management, post-approval system, customizable report templates, complete Twitter or X analytics, Looker Studio connection and Zapier integration, and a custom plan for users who need to manage more than 50 brands, which includes all the features of the advanced plan, along with a custom number of brands, customized publication limit, and integration capabilities. On the other hand, Loomly offers 4 pricing plans to accommodate businesses of all sizes. The basic plan is the most affordable option, perfect for small businesses or individuals starting with social media management. It includes essential features like a content calendar, post builder, and basic analytics. Standard plan builds upon the basic plan, offering additional features such as team collaboration, approval workflows, and more advanced analytics, ideal for growing businesses or marketing teams. The advanced plan includes all the features of the standard plan, plus custom branded dashboards, audience targeting, post sponsoring, and a higher number of social media connections and team members, well suited for businesses with multiple brands or clients. The premium plan is designed for businesses that require the most comprehensive set of features and support. Includes all the features of the advanced plan, plus dedicated support with an account manager. Tailored pricing is available upon request. Loomly also offers a 15-day free trial for new users to explore the full range of features without limitations or credit card required. Additionally, a 50% lifetime discount is available for teams and individuals who present a copy of their determination letter or equivalent government-issued document. The choice between MetriCool and Loomly ultimately comes down to your specific social media management needs and priorities. Carefully evaluate the key difference in pricing, features, and user experience to determine which platform will best support your social media strategy. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.